Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from algebra. So this is just a review guys ng mga fundamentals natin. And this is under ng mga motion problem. So this is a word problem. Pero before natin sagutan to guys, shoutout muna sa BSEE 42 ng Cavite State University main campus. So shoutout natin si future engineer John Rex Lamiano and dun sa mga Lodi Cakes natin na BS Electrical Engineering 4-2 sa mga taga C Cavsu. Sobrang solid ng mga Lodi Cakes natin yan. And I hope you all the best mga idolo and more power sa inyo. And salamat sa support kay Sir IJ. And nga pala guys, before tayo mag-proceed, so antayin nyo po yung mechanics natin for our Cars Calculator raffle. Most likely, I'll post the mechanics tomorrow and our live raffle will be on the 1st of January 2026. Para magandang bunga guys, di ba? Sa bagong taon. So sagutan na natin guys. Ito yung problem natin. We have A and B run at constant speeds along an oval which is 1,350 meters long. Running in opposite directions, they meet every 3 minutes. While running in the same direction, they are together every 27 minutes. Find the speed of the faster runner. So the first thing that we have to consider when we are solving this type of problems is ano po ba yung mangyayari kapag they are traveling in opposite directions, and also the what will happen if they are traveling in the same direction. So tatandaan lang natin guys na kapag ganito guys, so they are traveling in opposite directions. So kapag opposite ang keyword na nakita natin, so that is positive. Kapag naman same direction, so that is negative. Ano po ibig sabihin niyan, Sir IJ? Bakit po naging ganyan yung context niyan? Kasi let's say, imagine niyo yung isang oval. So if you're running in opposite directions, once na mag-meet kayo, guys, so let's say you're running from this one to this one, so kunyari, gumawa tayo ng oval. This is the oval, for example. Let's say this is the first person, this is person A, and they start at the same point, and also this is person B. Right? So kunyari, ito, tumakbo siya pa ganito, and ito pa ganito since they are opposite direction. Once na mag-meet sila, they will cover the total distance of the oval, right? So kapag nag-travel siya, and they meet at some point, so kapag nag-meet sila, na-travel na nila yung pinakabuong distance natin, which is 1,350 meters. On the other hand, if they are on the same direction, so magiging minus yan guys. Syempre, ma-minus natin yun. So, ganun lang naman siya kadali in terms of the concept itself. So, ano mangyari dyan, Sir IJ? Ibig sabihin, yung distance traveled ni A plus yung distance traveled ni B must be equal to 1,350 meters. This is in the opposite direction. Considering this scenario, opposite, guys, they are traveling in opposite or running in opposite directions. So, ano ba yung distance ni A? Let's say si A yung faster, guys. So, ano magiging distance ni A? Ang distance ni A is 3 minutes multiplied by its distance. So, let's say yung speed niya is A na lang. So, we have 3A plus 3B equals 1,350. Sir IG, pakiulit po. Can you please repeat what is A and what is B? So, we have A, be the speed in meters per minute. Yung speed ng runner na yun, in meters per minute. Yung B naman yung speed niya, in meters per minute din mga idolo. Okay, I hope that's clear ha. So, bakit 3A, Sir IG? 3 minutes. So, 3 minutes times yung speed niya, plus 3 minutes times yung speed ni B equals 1,350. On the other hand, we have another equation which is in the same direction. So, kapag same direction naman, so we have 27A, kasi mas mabilis si A, considering na A yung faster guys ha, minus 27B is equal to 1,350. Okay? So, anong ginawa lang natin? Kinuha natin yung distance na matatravel ni A minus yung distance na matatravel ni B, dapat mag-equal siya sa 1,350. And once sinimplify po natin to, divide lang natin both sides by 3. So, A plus B equals 450. So, dinivide lang ni Sir IJ by 3 ha. Basta opposite plus the same minus. So, ito naman, divide natin by 27. A minus B equals 27, 1,350 divided by 27. So, that is 50. So, we are asked to find the speed of the faster runner. So, most likely, we're solving for A. So, adding the two equations, or you can use your calculator. So, we have 2A equals 500. And we have A is equal to 250 meters per minute. So, ito na yung pinaka-final answer natin. And if you're looking for the slower runner, so, substitute mo lang siya dito. So, 250 plus b equals 450, so that is b equals 200. Kaya lang hinahanap kasi natin yung faster runner. So the correct answer for this problem is letter B, 250 meters per minute. So yun guys, if you have questions or clarifications regarding our problem, so feel free to comment sa comment section. And maraming salamat sa mga Lodi Geeks na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin, and I hope we will all have a prosperous New Year of 2026, and ingat kayo palagi mga Lodi Geeks. Maraming salamat. God bless and bye-bye.